Transposing or changing keys does not have to be time-consuming or difficult. So I used to play in a band setting a lot, and the singer would want things changed to a different key, and we'd have to do it fast. And it took me forever. I'd sit down with my chord chart and I'd kind of do the math and count half steps and rewrite the chords through my whole chart. And it was very time-consuming, and it doesn't have to be. I'm going to show you a really, really easy trick that will make changing key on the fly super easy for you. So let's set the stage. Say you've learned Perfect by Ed Sheeran, and you've learned it in the key of G. But you have to sing it, and you can't, because if you're like me, G is too low. It'll sound like this. I found a love. It's not good. So nobody will enjoy your performance. You got to change the key. So the first thing you need to do is assign numbers to the chords. So G is the key that we are in. The song starts on G, it ends on G. So this means the song is based on the G major scale. G is our 1 chord. So what you want to do is you can write this on your chart, put a 1 above the G. The next chord we go to is E minor, which is the 6th note in the G scale. So that becomes our 6th chord. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So above E minor, you're going to write 6. The next chord is C, which is the 4th, 1, 2, 3, 4 chord. And then we finally have D, which is the 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now on your chart, you can look at numbers instead of the chord names. So you're going to start to shift how you think about this. And this number system makes changing key so easy because you just base your new key on the numbers. So say I want to change keys to C, because C is really comfortable to sing in. C is my new 1. So all I have to do as I go is think about the numbers. C is my 1. The next chord I need is the 6, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I've got my 4, which is F, and my 5, which is G. So it's as simple, really truly, it's as simple as identifying the degrees of the scale of the key that you're in and writing those numbers in onto your chart, and then picking any key that you want and simply applying that logic of the number system to that new key. So changing key, super easy, super fast. Use the number system, try it out. Let me know how it works. It takes a little getting used to, but once you get it, oh my goodness. You're gonna change keys super fast. Have fun.